First, we'll open the glove box. Notice on the right side, there's that damper that we have to pull out. I would recommend to grab it like this and then pulling it outwards. There it is. Once pulled out, just push it a little inside. Once that is done, notice there are two pointers. There's actually one pointer right here that we have to pull out. There it is, it's pulled out from here. Similar to that, there's one more pointer here that also needs to be pulled out. Keep pulling out those two pointers until the glove box is dropped down. There it is, once it's pulled down, right there behind is the location for cabin air filter. Now you notice there's actually one tab right here. All we have to do is just press that tab like that and then pull it outwards. There it is. Now from the left side, we just need to slide the cover outwards. Cover is out and right there is our filter. They have given some space here, which is good. We'll just punch in our finger and then pull it outwards. Just like that. That is how we take out our cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure there's an arrow sign at the front and it should be pointing towards downwards. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. I always like punching in the left side portion first. Once the left side is completely in, then we punch in the right side and then slide it all the way down. Once the filter is all the way in position, now we will go ahead and punch in this cover right there. Notice the cover has a tab on the left side. This tab is supposed to be slided in that position right there. There it is. And now we'll go ahead and close it like a door until we hear a clicking sound. Just like that, the cover is completely in. Now it's time to punch in the glove box, which is right here. Just make sure that these hinges are completely in. This side is good, but I just need to punch in the left side. Just grab the glove box and then punch it all the way in. There it is, it's completely in. Now what we'll do is we'll grab the glove box and then slide it all the way upside until both of those pointers on right and left completely go in. There it is. Once the glove box is completely in, now it's time to punch in the damper on the corner. We'll slide out the damper and position it the way it's supposed to be. This much seems fine. Now to push this damper completely, I would recommend to push it from the bottom just right here. There it is. That damper is completely in. With that, we are good to close the glove box. And that wraps up the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.